Hello everybody, welcome to PowerPoint Academy. Today our video isn't concerned with PowerPoint, but it's about a very important problem. I'm sure most of you want to solve it. How many times did you try to edit an image containing text as a paper from book? How many times did you try to edit your PDFs? Today we will convert any image containing text to an editable Microsoft Word file. Yes, as you heard, any image from a book or a PDF or whatever will be converted to an editable Word, and you can edit it as you prefer. But before starting, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to be able to watch our upcoming free tutorials. Let's go! Okay, so I will download a random picture from Google, but it must contain text, images, and let's write a paper from book to bring us any image containing text. Okay, let's download this picture. It seems as from an old book, and I will use it as a trial in this video. Okay, just right click and click save image as. Okay, and now save image in your PC. Okay, and now after downloading the image to your PC, just open Microsoft Word and choose blank document, and then go to the image, right click and click copy. Again, open Microsoft Word and click paste. Now you have the image you have already downloaded as a picture in a Word file. But the trick here is to click file and then export, then create PDF to convert this Microsoft Word to PDF and save it in the same path. Let's name it book 1 and click publish. As you see, the picture is changed or converted to a PDF file. Now close all of these, don't save, and open Microsoft Word again. Okay, click open and browse, go to the same path, then open the PDF book 1. Okay, you will have a message box telling you that you will convert the PDF to an editable Word document. Click OK and wait until converting is completed. Okay, and now as you see, you have all the text in the image and you can edit it as you prefer. I could make this in a green color, or increase the size of this part, or anything I prefer. So by this way we can change this image or the text in this image to editable Word. And now we reached the end of our video. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel to be able to watch our coming videos. Thank you.